baby with the hiccups. And that's Jasmine.
Straight away, look.
Yeah.
You didn't sleep long. You poked me by that then.
Hi. Hi, baby. Say hi. Say hi, baby.
Say hello.
Pops.
Good girl. Good girl.
Love you too. I think you want to wake up.